Hi everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to do bulk operation on browser profile with DICloak. Go to your profile page, select multiple profile where you wish to have bulk operations, click batch open to open your multiple browsers profile. The profile will be opened sequentially from the top to the bottom. And batch close your profiles. If you have created several profiles and forgot to assign them under a group category, you can click Set Group and choose the group that you created previously. Okay, I'll choose TikTok and confirm your group. Last, if you want to transfer your multiple browsers profile to another team, please check it out on How Can I Transfer Browsers Profile tutorial. I will link it down below in the description box and feel free to check it out. That's all for today's guide. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.